How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So here I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So here open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps and wait for it to load, and here go to the search and type the United States. That's the market we are going to target in today's explanation. So here let's wait for it to load, and let's zoom in on the states here. Choose a city or a state that you are going to apply this method in. So here I'm going to go to California in here, and I'm going to choose a state, for example Sacramento, or I'm going to choose Modesto in here. I'm going to zoom in on this place, then I'm going to go to the search again to start looking for the small businesses that could be available in this area. But before that, we are going to talk first about the three services that we are going to offer these small businesses. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to check their profiles. If they already have a website, that we are going to if they don't have a website, we are going to create one for them. And if they already have a website, we are going to check the website and see if it needs any renovation. We can offer that to them as well. And the third service is the second service is removing the bad reviews from their profile in Google Maps. And the third one is managing their social media accounts. So here let's search for a small business like plumbers, for example. So here let's search for plumbers. Here plumber, let's search for the plumbers in this area. So here you can see that we have a lot of profiles showing up in this area. And guys, in order to reach out to the ones with the highest rate of choosing our purchasing our services or working with us, make sure to always avoid the ones with more than 150 reviews. So this one has a lot, way more than that. They have a more than 1,000 reviews. And also make sure to avoid the ones with sponsored written in their profile. So here, for example, like Dub Plumbing, less than 150 reviews, no sponsored written in their profile. So this is a great example for us. Let's check their profile here by scrolling down. They don't have a website, so that's the first service we are going to offer them. And by scrolling down here, they have one or two one-star reviews. So let's look for those bad reviews in order to offer them to remove that for them as well. Here click on more reviews, and let's scroll down to find that one-star review, and that's what we are going to use when we are reaching out to them. We are going to mention the one-star review quite a lot, because it would help us get paid, or it would help us convince this business owner to purchase our service. Because when you say that this is a bad review from your profile and it's giving you bad reputation in the market, it's taking more clients, it's taking away more clients from you, and it's resulting in losing a lot of money for your business. They would want to remove that as quick as possible. So here let's scroll down until we find that one-star review. Here keep scrolling down. We are only finding the 5-star reviews here. We have only the 5-star reviews, so we are still looking for that 1-star review. I don't know if we will be able to find that, but as we saw in the review summary, they have some bad reviews, but we just need to find them. And if you couldn't find them, that's okay. We still can offer them the first service, which is creating a website for them. And as I said in the beginning, guys, you won't need to learn any skill or to deliver any service to make money with this method. If you know the skill or you can deliver it, that's good, but if not, there is no problem. I'm going to show you how you can deliver those services without even having a clue. So here it is. Finally, we have our 1-star review from 3 years ago. Really unethical and dishonest. All he cares about is money and not customer service, from Tyler Scott. Hey, I don't think I did any work for you. Please let me know what is going on. Thanks. So that is not a very bad review. For me, it's not that very big of a deal, because this client didn't even talk about his experience, or what happened between him and the owner, and also the owner doesn't even understand what happened. So we can't consider this a bad review. So just keep looking, guys, until you find another one, and if not, you can just offer them the first service, which is creating a website for them. And as I said, I'm going to show you how you can deliver the service, even though you have no clue on how you can create a website. You'll just go to fiverr.com here, which is a platform where you can hire a freelancer to do certain services like website creation. So here, for example, if you convince this business owner to pay you $150 minimum for the website, you can just come to fiverr.com and hire a freelancer like this one here for only $80 to create the website for the business, and then deliver it to them. And you can take what's left from the $150 after you pay the $80. You can take it as a profit without even learning the skill or delivering the skill. So guys, that was the method of today. I hope you understand how you can make money with this method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.